Hello students, now we are going to start the method of color code to distinguishing the carbon resistor, how much any carbon resistor carries the value of resistance. This can be easily identified with the help of a phenomena that is known as color code. The first two rings from the end give the first two significant figure of resistance in ohm. You are seeing that there is a resistance and this resistance contains four color line. First is denoted by the letter B, second is denoted by V, third is denoted by B, and fourth is denoted by G, gold. Okay, all these colors expresses the value of the resistance contained by that resistor. So what is the phenomena to identifying the resistance of such type of resistances? First we want to see what is the value of the colors. The last ring indicates the tolerance percentage about the indicated value. Now let us first we want to know what will be the value of all colors. So there is a first color whose value is assigned as 0, that is black. If the color is brown, then this can be indicated by the value of 1. If the color is red, then the value is denoted by that color is 2, and the value assigned for the orange color is 3, for yellow color is 4, for green is 5, for blue is 6, for violet is 7, for gray is 8, and for white is 9. Okay, and there is three more colors, in which first is gold, second is silver, and third one is no color. It means there is no color. So if all the three colors are contained by any resistor in the last one area, that is here in this resistor, here in this resistor, so all these, and you are saying that in the third resistor here there is no color, and here is a silver color, here is a gold color. This gold color indicates the tolerance, this silver color is also indicates the tolerance, and the no colors is also indicates the tolerance of the resistor. If the color is gold, then the value of tolerance is 5%. If the color is silver, then the value of tolerance is 10%. And if there is no color present on the resistor, then the value of tolerance is 20%. Okay. And how can we read the value of the resistance of any carbon resistor? This is very simple. Suppose that the first color is B, that is brown color for the first resistor. If you take it here, first color is brown, second is violet, and third is black. Then first two color, the value of the resistor indicated as AB, that is the first color value and second color value AB. They are treated as unit place and tens place. First color becomes the tens place and second color becomes the unit place. Okay, and the third color is always posted as the power of 10. So the value of such type of resistor whose color is B, V and B means brown, violet and black, this will be the value assigned for brown is 1, value assigned for violet is 7, and the value assigned for black is 0. So the resistance of this resistor will be 17 multiplied by 10 to power 0, that is 17 ohm. And what will be the tolerance? That will be the 5%. It means total resistance of this resistor will be 17 plus minus 5% ohm. Okay, if we see in the second resistor, then first color is green, second color is red, and third color is blue, and the fourth, which indicates the tolerance, is silver. So the resistance of this resistor becomes the number value assigned for green is 5, number value assigned for red is 2, and the number value assigned for blue is 6. So the resistance will be 5 multiplied by 10 to power 6. It means 52 into 10 to power 6. And the silver color indicates the tolerance of the resistor is 10%. So the total resistance of the resistor becomes 52 into 10 to power 6 plus minus 10% of ohm. Okay. We want to know how to learn all these colors and their assigned value. For this we have a simple method or formula by which we can easily learn what will be the assigned value for each color. Here the formula can be summarized as B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. It means B, the first B indicates the color black, second B indicates the color brown, R indicates red, O indicates orange, Y indicates yellow, and G of Great indicates the green color, and B of Britain indicates blue color, and the V of the very indicates violet color, and G of the good indicates gray color, and W of wife indicates white color. So this is a simple method. With the help of this we can easily guess what will be the assigned value for each color, and the learning method is B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. Okay, this is very simple and easily you can learn it. Now there is another type of resistors that can have a sign on a different type of color indicated on the surface of resistors, and such type of resistor is also carbon resistor. In this type of resistor, all the body of the resistor are colored with the single color, okay, that is known as body color, and there is a symbol of color of dot. Here is a dot of blue color, and the end side of the resistor is colored with the same color. You can see that the both end of this resistor is colored by red, okay, and there is a thick strip of a color that can be made on the left side of the end, that is also right side of the dot. This is indicated the tolerance of the resistor. Okay, so what is the process for another color code of the carbon resistor? In such type of resistor, the color of the body gives the first significant figure. Yes, you are seeing that there is a different color, and you can easily guess how the color code can be assigned a value. This is A, B. A is the first color, B is the second color, and C that can be assigned the 10 power of the 10, that is the third color. So first color can be assigned the color of the body. Here you are seeing that the color of the body gives the first significant figure. The color of the end gives the second significant figure. Okay, the color of the dot gives the decimal multiplier. Okay, let us see. In this the color of the body is yellow. So yellow is the first letter, first digit, that is 10th place, and the color of the end is the second color, that is red, and the color of the strip, color of the dot is blue, okay, and the color of the strip is gold. So the resistance of such type of resistor will be equal to the value assigned for yellow is 4, value assigned for red is 2, and value assigned for blue is 6. So the resistance becomes 42 into 10 to the power 6 ohm, and the tolerance of the resistor is 5% because the color indicated on the surface of the resistor is gold. Okay, this is a simple method. Now come to a simple phenomena, the combination of resistance. Suppose that if we have more than two resistors, then what will be the value of combined resistance if they are connected in series, either they are connected in parallel. Suppose that they are connected in series, then the net equivalent resistance of the resistor will be the linear combination of the algebraic sum of the individual resistances. And if the resistances are connected in parallel, then the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance will be equal to the sum of the reciprocals of individual resistances. So these are the phenomena of the combination of resistance. In our next lecture we will derive these formula, how can we get the equivalent resistance of the series combination and equivalent resistance of the parallel combination. Okay, and also tomorrow we will discuss more about the cell. Okay, thank you.